Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
I understand English.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, no, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I'm healthy.
Are you sure that you are healthy?
Yes, ma'am.
Because if you have something in your body, then better stay in the Philippines. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
I am Gerlin Elviso. I'm 29 years old. And I have three kids. I have a live-in partner.
Okay, I need to know some few more details from you. Are you ready, passport?
Yes, ma'am.
When is your birthday?
January 27, 1996.
January 27, 1996.
Yes, ma'am.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 5 flat and my weight is 63 kilogram.
What is your religion?
Raman Catholic.
What about your educational background?
I'm high school graduate.
You mentioned that you got three kids. How old are those children?
My firstborn is 12 years old and second 9 years old and third is 7 months.
7 months old. Still small. Your baby is still small. Are you ready to come here?
Yes, ma'am.
It's still young. Your baby is still young. Are you still, this one still, do you do breastfeed or what?
Um, Formula.
Formula, do you think you will not feel homesickness? Your baby is still young. It's still baby, 7 months old. And you will working quite far away from your children.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Is your family or your live-in partner allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Who will going to take care of these children once you come to work here?
My mother.
How old is your mother and what is her occupation?
My mother is housewife and 49 years old.
These three children is the same father or
The same father, ma'am.
the same father? So how many brother and sister do you have?
Four. Four. I'm the second. Um, two, two girls and two boys.
You're the second. Okay. Do you have any working experience as a housemaid?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this
Local.
your first time working abroad or what?
First time abroad po.
First time abroad. In which place in the Philippines that you have a working experience as a housemaid?
Um, Pasig.
Sorry?
Pasig, ma'am.
How many years you work there?
Since 2020 and 2023. Finish,
2020 to 2023, you worked in Pasig as a housemaid for 3 years or 3 years. Can you share it with me? What are your duties to your previous employment in Pasig?
housemaid, ma'am.
What are your primary duties inside the house?
Um, Cleaning, cooking, and take care of kids.
Did you do laundry and ironing?
Little bit po.
No. So you do house chores, cooking, and you take care children only. How old are those children that you take care?
10 and 5 years old.
10 and 5 years old.
Yes, ma'am.
What happened? Why you decided to come and work here as a domestic helper?
Because of my family to provide financially. Also my kids.
So this job is not so easy. It is very tough job. Do you think you can handle being a domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am.
You cannot go back home for 2 years.
Yes, ma'am. I finished the contract, ma'am.
Yes, because otherwise, once breaching of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer, and at the same time the agency, as nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Okay?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
are, you are the one who wanted to come and work here because you wanted to sustain your family's needs, right? So,
Yes,
are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
yes, ma'am.
Can you take care baby or children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Little.
Little bit, but are you willing to learn some new recipes?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
No.
It's okay, yes or no only. Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
No.
Okay, so usage of mobile handphone, as I have mentioned, you're not allowed to use your phone during working time, but instead you can hold your phone during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day. And you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, on your rest day, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with the rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure that you really wanted to come and work here?
Yes, ma'am.
So we will going to adhere with the rules and regulations because we already clarify in our initial interview about all these things. We don't want later that you will going to demand us that, ma'am, I want to go out on my rest day. Ma'am, can I use my mobile handphone for the whole day? No such a thing because we will going to adhere with the rules and regulations. Yeah? And you also
Yes,
agree about it. If you disagree, then better stay in the Philippines. Okay?
yes, ma'am.
This is your first time working abroad and you will working far away from your children, for your family. So how are you going to handle your homesickness later once it strikes you?
Contact them and contact them
Contact them and
to explain about the I'm working for us.
after 2020-23, do you have any working experience
Mm,
or you're being a full-time mother after that?
no, I'm still working.
What year did you start working?
Start is 2023 and now until now.
Why is that? You work as what?
Um, Production operator TDK
Production
Philippines.
operator. Then why you wanted to come and work here as a domestic helper? You've been
Because
there in Philippines as a production operator. What happened? Why you decided to come and work here?
not enough the salary.
How much is the salary there now?
Um, Monthly 15.
15.
Not
Okay, as I
enough.
have mentioned, we are not playing here, okay? Domestic
Yes,
helper
ma'am.
is a very tough job and you need to get ready because you might experience those unexpected things that you didn't experience in the Philippines, okay? You need to fasten your
Yes,
seatbelt because this is not the Philippines that if you don't want to work, then you just suddenly go back home. No such a thing, okay?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time, Darlene. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Yeah?
Yes,
Thank you
ma'am.
so much and have a good day.